जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू साइमा's वेलनेस लाउंज एंड आई होप एवरीवन इज़ डूइंग ग्रेट एंड वेल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फॉर द ब्राइड्स टू बी एंड बिकॉज आजकल सीज़न ऑब्वियसली एवरीवन इज़ गेटिंग मैरिड और it's a festival season, the Christmas is around the corner, New Year is around the corner, everyone is in a fix to lose their weight and to look great at the same time, because when you lose weight the first effect that comes is on your face, and obviously the face mask gets reduced first. So my tip for today is basically start with the detox, and if you're interested to get some diet plans and to get the supplements that are not going to be contradictory to any kind of issues. The reason I'm not suggesting my diet plans on any websites and stuff like that, because there are millions of diet plans that anyone could follow on on the YouTube and Google and all of these, but we have to see the patient or the person who is interested to lose weight. बहुत सी चीज़ें होती हैं जिनको हमने कंसिडर करना पड़ता है. It's not कि आपना weight lose करना है and probably you have a low BP or a high BP, you have God forbid any you are pre-diabetic or you have got some God forbid cardiac issues and stuff like that. तो हम एकदम से अगर आपको कार्डियो पे डाल दें, intermittent fasting पे डाल दें, crash diet पे डाल दें, that is not something, or that is not the way I have ever practiced in my career. So the way we have been practicing in the UK is to get to know the client, the life history or the history or the background of the patient or the client, and then I'm going to suggest supplements. Even for your skin, I'm going to give you my own very organic face serums and face creams, whether you want it for acne, whether you want it to have a glow, whether you want it to look, obviously we all want to look more prettier and flawless skin. And obviously with the winters coming up, क्योंकि immunity बहुत affect हो रही है, चाहे आप दुनिया के किसी भी हिस्से में हो. इट्स नॉट कि फलाने कंट्री में स्मॉग है तो आपकी इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड नहीं हो पा रही है, विंटर्स हैं तो इम्यूनिटी डाउन हो रही है. सो ऑब्वियसली इम्यूनिटी तो हमारी अफेक्ट होती ही होती है. द फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ स्ट्रेस, एंगजाइटी, a busy lifestyle, and probably we're not able to have a healthy diet or have a healthy lifestyle. So my today's tip is that first of all you start with intake of water. Again, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि आप 1.5 लीटर 2 लीटर 8 ग्लास 4 ग्लास पिए. Again, I would like my personal patients and clients to DM me for their diet plans, for the skin routine, because I have to consider their lifestyle, their background, their health issues, or any kind of others personal issues and all of that. Since I'm a life coach and a nutritional therapist as well from UK, that's how I want to help my clients, and alhamdulillah whoever I've helped so far have been able to recover from it. And one more thing, since this is a season of viral and change of weather and everything, even I had suffered a major flu which was just seasonal, but thanks to my immunity, instead of having antibiotics and all of that for 7-8 days, I was fine in 3 days. And thanks to my products of supplements, which obviously I will only share it once I have my clients in front of me, and if they're happy to build up their immunity, they're happy to detox the system, they're happy to lose their weight, whatever the requirement of my clients, that is how I will be interacting with them. You're more than welcome to DM me directly and take an appointment and have a video consultation or a voice call consultation, whatever you're comfortable with, but only by appointments, please. And do direct message me and follow my YouTube channel, and I just started my TikTok as well, which is not very great, but still I've just started because I was getting a lot of calls and a short that just give us a short tips of what do you actually do and how can you help us and all of that. So there are a couple of things which I have been started doing now, which is with my clothing industry, my clothing line. Second is my nutrition therapist. I'm also a life coach. I'm also into tarot card reading, palm reading, numerology. If someone is getting married and they want to know whether how good will there be, any warnings, any things, there are millions of things that come across our way, career-oriented people especially. So these are the things that I do, and be happy to just enjoy the festival season. And first you have to look after your health, and then everything gets better inshallah. So have a positive mind, and get in touch with me if you choose to, and direct message me. Thank you, take care, God bless, bye bye. Great.